Hello guys, it's Yaneli Molina. I'll be presenting on planets beyond the solar system. So after this presentation, you will know when they were first confirmed, what they are, some of the methods of discovery, how they're classified, their characteristics, and if they're habitable or not. So exoplanets are planets that are not in our solar system. They are outside of the solar system, and they are approximately 4 million times farther away from the sun than we are. One of the closest ones that we know is only 41 light years away. So that's the perspective. Some background on them is that in 1917 they were first seen. Someone claimed that they saw an exoplanet, but until 1988 they first identified one, and in 2003 they first confirmed one due to some technology that they developed. Some of the methods of discovery, there's two different types. There's direct detection, and then there's indirect detection. Direct detection is images, pictures, anything like that, and indirect is things that are having to do with physics, such as transit, Doppler method technique, and radio wave velocity, and astrometry. So the most uncommon one is astrometry. I believe in 2013 there was only one planet discovered with astrometry, and it's basically just the movement, the subtle movement of the planets. There's direct detection, and that one is more unreliable since they are very far away from us. We cannot really rely on pictures or like any captures from the planets. But the most reliable and the most common is transit. And transit is basically when a planet gets in front of its star and it dims the star, so you're able to see the planet and you're able to see the size and the diameter and everything. So next is the technology, and this technology is used for the transit method of discovery, and it is in the Kepler mission, and it's called the photometer. This telescope has discovered more than 2,337 planets, and what it does, it basically when you see through it, it dims the lights of the stars, so you're able to see the planets, and it also has motion detection, and it's able to monitor which stars are getting dimmer, and that way you can like check the size of the planets. There's different types of planets. There's in the classifications, there's gas giants, super Earths, Neptune-like, and terrestrial. And these are all due to their size. They're based on their size and mass, not based on any content that they have. So when they say Neptune-like, it does not mean that they are like Neptune inside in the core. Or super Earths, they're not like Earth. So here is a demonstration that the super Earths, the one on the left is our Earth, and then the one on the right is super Earth. They're just the same. They're almost the same size, but they're not the same inside. Okay. Some characteristics. So the gas giant is gaseous, of course. It's made up of helium and hydrogen, and it is larger than Jupiter. This is putting it into perspective with our solar system. And then the super Earth is larger than Earth, so it's like way larger than Earth. It does not have the same content as Earth, so inside in the core it's not the same as Earth. And it is smaller than Neptune, and all these classifications are based on their size and their mass. Some characteristics of the Neptune is that they are close to the size of Neptune and its mass. There's also mini Neptunes, and those are smaller than Neptune's but larger than Earth. And Neptune is the one that is most similar to its planet on our solar system, and it is also almost the same mass. Terrestrial is just like Earth and Mars, all rocky, and it is either smaller or double of the Earth's size in radius. So, and finally, the question that everyone has been waiting for: are they suitable for humans? No, they are not. They're not suitable for humans, and they won't be for a very long time if they ever are. However, we can use them to our advantage to discover things about our solar system, and we can use them to benefit us in our knowledge to understand our solar system more. So thank you for your time and attention. And here are the works cited and some of the images.